Good day, everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein, and I'm Forex Optimum Broker Financial Analyst. I'm very much excited to share with you all some of the current opportunities that are actually taking place in the financial markets. First of all, let's talk about the stock market, which is actually performing mostly positive dynamics since the beginning of the week, with the focus on the news of coming vaccinations. The United Kingdom is expected to approve Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine this week, while the United States Food and Drug Administration is scheduled to authorize this vaccine on December 10. Perfect. The optimism over swift vaccine approval has successfully balanced the negative sentiment of the rising coronavirus infections in the United States. The declining infection number in Europe supports the appetite for risk. Most of the foreign and European countries were successful in prevention of the virus spread. The infection curve is slowing down, allowing authorities to ease restrictions measures by Christmas. Such move could support economic recovery in the region and globally. Nevertheless, the S&P 500 broad market index has performed marginally gains, but is looking to continue the rally since it is above 20 days and 50 days moving average. The important support level at 3,500 points remain sustained. Nonetheless, the appetite for risk is curbed as US 10-year Treasuries yield has declined to 0.85%. Gold prices fell below $1,840 per troy ounce. That enables them to look for the next target of over $1,700, $90 per troy ounce. Brent crude prices are rising at the start of this week, hitting September's highs above $45.5 per barrel. Considering the optimism of oil traders that are increasing crude purchases, we may resume that vaccine news outweigh fears over the second wave spread of the virus and its effect on the global economy. Oil market is waiting for OPEC decision on production quotas that is expected at the end of November. OPEC is due to decide on the extension of current production cuts to avoid additional rise of crude reserves if cuts were lifted by 2 million basis points starting January 2021. However, the risk of rising infections worldwide and newly introduced restriction measures may be ahead of OPEC actions, as the demand could contract much faster than the supply. OPEC Technical Committee has provided on new recommendations on crude production quotas for OPEC despite expected move of preserving the current cuts of 7.7 million basis points. While markets are absorbing the increase of crude production in Libya to the 700,000 barrels per day by December, OPEC producers has disconnected them with the first necessity of the compensate the supply of additional oil by its member that is not liable to the deal. Consequently, OPEC and its allies may consider the extension of current production cuts not justified. In this case, the upward trend in crude prices might be broken. However, we may expect Brent crude prices to rise this week to 46.53 per barrel. So, alright, guys, that's wrap up for the day. We'll see you again next week, later this week. Till then, take care and bye bye.